welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all a unit that is so perfect for spring from Rpgshow. It's going to be a bob, y'all, and it really gives me Kalana Barfield vibes. Her hair is always flawless and she loves these like short, edgy, effortless looks, and so we're going to be giving you all those vibes today. So let's get into this unit. So this is what the unit came in. We're going to open this up, and I love these cases because they're great for traveling. Gerard and I are about to go out of town in a little bit, and I'm probably going to be using this for my wigs. You have your details on your unit, and then the unit is inside. When I saw this unit on the website, I was really excited about it, and I love how they had it pre-styled. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be styled right out of the package like that, but we're going to see. It does have a factory smell. It doesn't smell bad, but there is a smell. And yeah, it does have the little waves in it. I wasn't sure if the waves are going to be in it or not, but this unit looks really good. The texture and everything is on point. They have bleached the knots, which is great. And look at that hairline. I can literally throw this unit on and it's going to be ready to go. And I'm not even doing that right. Let me show y'all the hairline. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the mannequin head. They've already kind of laid it down in the front, which is awesome. The hairline looks flawless. I'm not gonna have to tweeze it at all. Other side. Let's see what amount of parting space is allotted. So right now it appears that there's maybe about 3 inches, but once you go in deeper, you can see that there is much more. And this is a lace front construction. As you can see, all of this area in here, that showcases how much parting you have. So up until this area here, it's all lace. So you can part from here all the way to here, and then the rest is wefted in the back, as you can see. It does come with 2 combs on the side, pretty standard, and a comb at the bottom. So right now I'm just gonna put it on my mannequin head, and I'm gonna tint the lace. Now, although it's been bleached, I'm gonna tint the lace using my Sally Hansen. Now, I often talk about this product as a means of concealing your knots, but even when the knots have been bleached, you can still use this product to tint the lace. It does come with transparent lace, which is very good for any skin tone, but I do like to modify the lace a bit just to make sure that it matches mine perfectly. Now, your stocking cap is gonna help with that, but this just helps to enhance the look. So I'm just gonna spray this on and then stipple it on with my foundation brush. Hey. Alright, now that we've cut the lace, I'm going to begin to install, and I am going to be using the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. I know this install is going to be fire, y'all. Okay, let's do this. Alright y'all, so I've already applied my elastic band. I do this a lot in order to set the front. While this is setting, I'm going to begin to work on the curls. What the curls look like right out of the package. I just combed them out. They look pretty decent, but I'm just going to refine them a bit just to make sure I don't have some just kind of flying all over the place. So I'm going to use my Kaposi flat iron, and I got it from Amazon. I've shared this flat iron in so many videos. It goes all the way up to 450. So I'm going to refine the curls and make the look so much better.
Yeah. I've been down so in love like. 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 In love like.
So it's time for the big reveal. We're going to remove the elastic band and see how it turned out. Yes. Okay. We did a good job. Let me just put some makeup in this area up here just so it doesn't look so light. Y'all, isn't this giving y'all Mary Jane vibes? This looks so much like Gabrielle Union in Being Mary Jane. I love it. This is probably my favorite bob that I've done so far. And I'm really liking how these curls turned out. I used to always wonder how they achieve these type curls. It's really simple. And I feel like it would look even more like it does on the website if you were to use a larger barrel. But I was using a flat iron to do it, and mine is only, is this 1.5? It's a really narrow flat iron, but if you had a larger one or even a curling iron, then you can get the chunkier waves. But I am loving this look so much. It looks so chic, edgy, and effortless. I love a look where it doesn't look like you put in a lot of work, but you look really fly. This is one of those hairstyles. This was a really easy install. The hair feels amazing. It didn't specify the density on the website, but I believe this is 150%. Looks pretty standard. It's a very good amount of hair that you get with this particular unit. My cap size is a size 1, which is a circumference of 21.5 to 22 inches. It also has a medium brown lace color on this particular unit, but once again, I told you all that the way that it looked, I feel like any skin tone would work with the one that I had, but they do have different colors that you can get. This is a silky texture, and it definitely feels silky. It feels great, y'all. And it's in a natural color, but they do offer this unit in 3 other colors, I believe. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for the link and all the specifications for this particular unit. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.